Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Voidpet Dungeon best strategy, tips and tricks. When I first started playing Voidpet Dungeon, I thought the strategy was picking strong pets and hoping for the best. Turns out, the game is a little smarter than that. What actually helped me improve was focusing on team balance instead of just power. I actually start by choosing one strong carry Voidpet, then build the rest of the team around support abilities that help with survivability and status effects. While running dungeons, I pay close attention to the enemy types because switching abilities at the right time can completely flip a fight. Another thing I learned the hard way is not rushing every battle. Sometimes it's better to play defensively for a turn and let cooldowns reset rather than spamming attacks. I also try to collect better eggs and upgrade my pets regularly, since stronger evolutions make latter stages much easier. And honestly, a little patience goes a long way here, because once your team's energy clicks, the dungeon suddenly feels a lot less like survival and a lot more like domination. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.